you know this is happening. Everything we call convenience, think single use cutlery, food wrappers, shopping bags, ends up right here as waste. India generates about 26,000 tons of garbage every single day. That's enough to fill more than 1,000 garbage bags, and not much of it is getting recycled. But what if the solution lies in replacing the plastic right at the source?
Zero Circle, a climate-forward material startup based in Pune, is doing just that. They are using farmed seaweed to create fully compostable options to plastic and paper. From food-grade films to biodegradable cutlery and sachets, Zero Circle is designing packaging that's both safe for the environment and the people. And they are using something as humble as a seaweed.
Zero Circle makes coatings and pellets made out of seaweed, which can be turned into plastic sheets. The startup also makes tree-free paper out of seaweed fiber.
I'm here with Neha Jain, the founder of Zero Circle. Hi Neha. Hi. Please walk us through how you convert seaweed, your magic material, into your coatings, your pellets and all these products.
Absolutely. So this is brown seaweed. This is a fresh seaweed that grows in the ocean and it grows all over the world. This is the red seaweed. You can feel it, you can touch it, you can see the flexibility in this. Roughly 97% of seaweed in Asia of the world is grown in our backyard.
Okay.
So that's a big gold mine that's growing in terms of access and supply chain. We take these compounds and then we use its natural property and convert into several plastic-like materials without the downside of it.
Okay.
Now, what we also do is while we're doing the refinery, there are some cellulosic byproducts that come out of it. So for us, we do not want any kind of waste to go unutilized, which is why we take the cellulosic part and we convert that into paper. But where the magic begins and the IP that we hold is in the conversion of these pellets. Now this is a is a coating pellet that goes into the coating line and coats the surface of the paper so that when you eat, you only eat the food you want to eat, not the microplastics that leach into it.
So if you can simplify, if this, let's say, converts into my bottle of shampoo, and if I throw it away, how will it be recycled? How will it dissolve? How will it biodegrade?
Fantastic question. So this material is biodegradable. This material is compostable in industrial settings, in home compost, even in your garden compost. A 2-year-old can compost this.
Okay.
In fact, certain grades of plastic that we make are even edible. I've eaten our plastic. It doesn't taste like much, but it's completely safe for your body. Now this is a really nice example of as one of our products because it has the seaweed paper, it has the seaweed film, and it also has the seaweed glue,
Okay.
which is again the only glue available in the market which is biodegradable. The certain properties of gluing and sealing are extremely important in plastics. We've also created a completely natural material which is heat sealable. You can imagine that as a sugar sachet.
The company picked up 20 crore rupees in seed funding this year. Here's what will make Zero Circle a tree hugger's favorite. The material can be made within existing manufacturing infrastructure.
Now you secured a 20 crore funding this Jan. Where are you planning to invest this?
So we've just commercialized, after receiving the funding, we've commercialized the coatings, the production of coatings and coated paper. Today in the market we sell coated paper and the coated paper being converted into products like your burger boxes, your food trays, your popcorn boxes that you see in a movie theater. So far we've created already manufactured 1 million pieces of coated products in the market. Our goal is to commercialize coated products, and at the end of 2 years our goal is to commercialize the coatings itself.
Which brands are you working with nationally and internationally?
We've gotten great reception from international regions. This summer we launched with Swiggy, we launched with Zomato. We also are in the process of working with your favorite coffee brands.
The next time you go shopping, it may be seaweed, not plastic, wrapping your purchase. It may not happen overnight, but it's a real glimpse into the future of packaging. Zero Circle proves that innovation isn't always born in high-tech labs. Sometimes it grows quietly beneath the waves. Yes, the hurdles are big, making it affordable, scaling it up, getting industries on board. But the potential is just as real.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV 18 on all of our digital platforms.